What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you the top 3 mods that will absolutely change the look of your truck, and we're going to be installing them today. They're going to be cheap and easy, and you won't even recognize your truck after this. The first mod's going to be, of course, window tint. Now, window tint is essential. No matter what vehicle you have, it could be the worst fucking looking truck you've ever seen, but if it's got some dark window tint, it is going to look 50 times better. If you're wondering what kind of window tint, what percent you should get, if you're not familiar with window tint, my recommendation is 25% or 35% on the front windshield, and of course we're going to do 5% on everything else. So 5% on all the windows, and you can do 25% or 35% on the front windshield, and that is going to give you a great setup. The second mod is only going to cost you about $8 right here. I have some black vinyl wrap, and this is mainly for older vehicles or just vehicles that didn't come from the factory with wrapped pillars. Now, this goes along with the tint. You have to have tint to do this. So once you get your windows tinted, you're going to buy this $8 wrap here and wrap the window pillar. That's going to make this whole section look like one big window. And you can see it kind of, these newer trucks, well, this is not a great example because the truck's already black, but this truck looks so much better with the black pillars. It makes it look like all one window, especially if that window is a little bit darker. So the second part just showed up in the mail. It is the slim rain guards. Now you have to, all these items I'm making in this list, they all kind of go together. Like, you can't really just wrap the window pillars and not do the rain guards, because it kind of wouldn't look right. As y'all can see here, it looks dumb right now with the window wrap with no rain guards on it. So all this list I'm making for y'all is, you kind of have to buy all these together and do all this together, and that is what's really gonna make your truck look pretty fucking good. So I've got these are Husky brand. It was like the only brand I could find for this year truck that made the slim ones. You gotta get the slim ones. I had AVS rain guards on this truck, which is a nice expensive brand that it came with, but fuck those. You have to get the slim ones. The slim ones look, the slim ones are so important. You gotta get the slim rain guards. So, but to make these even better, I'm about to paint match them before I put them on. So I'm gonna paint match these slim rain guards, then I'm gonna throw them on the truck, and that is gonna look, it's gonna look so good. The tint is expensive. It'll probably be around $300 for tint, but man, is it worth it. And that just makes this truck look so much newer, so much nicer. It's the little things, guys. It's the little stuff like this that really makes the biggest difference. Guys, this is exactly what that truck needed. I know this wasn't any kind of crazy video, or this may not have blew your mind, but this really is just the 3 simplest things that really just make such a difference. Like I can't get over it. I think it looks insane. It looks so much better. I mean, I think it looks 20 times better with just these 3 cheap things. And I already had the tint on the truck, so really for me it was just 2 things, which cost me $80 for the rain guards, and I already had the paint from my last video, my last project, and the window pillar wrap was literally like $8 on eBay. So yeah guys, that was it for this video. It's just short and sweet. Try to get straight to the point. Thank y'all for watching. I'm dropping a new video next week.